crawl to mommy? Crawl to mommy. Come on. Do what you were just doing. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Oh. Yeah, come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mama. Come to mommy. Come here. You want the ball? Go get the ball. Go get the... You're just too frustrated. You are a ham. You are a ham. Come here. Eli. You just keep getting further and further back there. It's a lot of work trying to crawl. You're making mommy laugh. It's just so hard. Oh, buddy. Come on, you can do it. No, taking a break.